Hi everyone! Today we will be making a savory and colorful mango chicken stir fry. This recipe has sweet mango and crispy bell peppers, both of which are jam-packed with vitamin C and vitamin A, and almonds for an added crunch and some added fiber. This recipe will make enough for 4 servings, and in just 30 minutes you can have this delicious recipe ready for your family. These are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. We have 1 pound of chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces. We have 2 mangoes also cut up into bite-sized pieces, a 1/4 cup of almonds that I lightly toasted, a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. We will be using 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Make sure that it's low sodium soy sauce. We will also use 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. The black pepper will be to taste. And then we have 1 bell pepper that I already sliced up into strips. Feel free to use a red or a green bell pepper. Whatever you have on hand is fine. So let's get started. First, I want to show you the easiest way to slice a bell pepper. First, chop off the top and the bottom of the pepper. And you can discard those 2 pieces. Then using your knife, you can carefully slice away the middle part that contains all of the seeds. And discard this piece as well. Once you take out the seeds, simply slice one side of the bell pepper to make it flat. And here you can start slicing off little strips. Continue to do so until you have completely sliced up the bell pepper. And that's it. So first, spray a large skillet, or a wok if you have it, with nonstick cooking spray. And over medium-high heat, sauté the chicken until it's cooked through, which will be about 10 minutes. So while the chicken is cooking, we can start making the sauce. In a small bowl, you're going to mix together 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. Add this sauce and the bell peppers to the skillet after the chicken is fully cooked, and then cook everything for an additional 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes, you can add the mango and the almonds and cook for an additional 2 minutes. And once everything is cooked through, turn off the heat and add black pepper to taste. And that's it. I suggest you serve this mango chicken stir fry with a side of brown rice. Enjoy!